Good evening, friends. Welcome to UGC NET online pre-coaching. This is second lecture for June 2005. Already I have discussed 1 to 10 questions in first video. In second series, I will discuss question number 11 to 20. We'll see 11th question. After 3 calls of the C function bug below, the value of I and j will be int j is equal to 1 bug function, static int I equal to 0, int j equal to 0, increment, first increment I and j, return I. Here you first thing you need to know, j is declared global variable, so it will not change inside the function bug function. So bug after 3 calls of the C function bug means this bug function calls 3 times, so I incremented 3 times, but j is not incremented because j is global variable. So j equal to 1, it is a global variable, it is not changed while printing outside the bug function. I equal to 0 is increment at every time it is called, so I is equal to 3, j is equal to 1, so answer is D. Simple things. Here static int, it will not change. This is global variable int j is equal to, so it will not change this value outside bug function if you print outside. Actually inside the function j is incremented, but it is not affect while printing outside, so j is equal to 1. This is fixed, so answer is D. Now we'll move to the 12th question. Find the output of the following C code. Int x is equal to 20, y is equal to 35. So statement is x is equal to y post increment plus x post increment, and y is equal to pre-increment y plus pre-increment x. Then find the value of x and y. For this question, first we will see one by one. Answer the given x is equal to 20, y is equal to 35 given, x is equal to y plus 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 x plus plus. It is post increment, it is not affect for first time, so x is equal to 20 plus 35, that value is 55. Now x is 55. After this statement, x is increment, also y is increment, so now one first increment of x plus plus will be done on x, so x is equal to 56 because first is 55, now incremented first incremented 1, so 56. Now one more first increment of y will be done. Actually y is now 35, increment first increment by 1, this is post increment by 1, now 36. Now come to the second statement. Already y is 36, x is 56. This is pre-increment. Pre-increment means 37, 57 because increment then add. First increment is add then increment. So this pre-increment before value of y is 36. Now pre-increment 37 plus before value of x is 56. Now pre-increment 57. 37 plus 57 94 will be done. Hence finally x is equal to 57, y is equal to 94. The option is D. I hope you will clear this type of questions. Usually 2 to 3 questions same. This type of question will arrive every exam. Only 5 days remaining your exam, June 2005 UGC NET. So be careful while answering all the questions. Please follow whatever instruction I have discussed in this video series. In examination, be cool while answering the question. Be careful because all are looking like simple, but in examination you are in the hurry, you will make some minor mistakes. 1 or 2 questions, if you done like that, it's totally waste. So every question is very important. So every marks is also very important. So be careful while answering the questions. Then we'll move on to the 13th question. The data heading is taken care by. Actually, you may get a confusion, abstraction and encapsulation. Don't suddenly choose abstraction. Abstraction is eliminating unnecessary things, but encapsulation is wrapping up the data in a single unit. That is also called as data heading. So answer of this question is B, not A. In examination, you are in the hurry. Data hiding suddenly were selected A. It is not A, it is B. Encapsulation, wrapping a data into a single unit, means hiding something. Means you are hiding the data in a single unit. That's why it is not abstraction, encapsulation. So we'll move on to the next question. If a data item is declared as a protected access specifier, then it can be accessed. Protected data, protected access specifier, it is accessed in base class and also a derived class. Only public access specifier it can access base, derived and also a outside the class. So protected, it is accessed only base class and derived class. For this question, direct answer, the definition of uh, protected access specifier. So answer of this question is direct B. Protected are accessed only by base class and derived class. It is not only by derived class, only by base class. So anywhere in the program, only public. Only base class, it is a private. Only derived class, there is no only derived class section. Derived class with base class, so can be accessed in a derived class. Now come to the 15th question. This is also based on C program. Character pointer string is ABCDE. Now printf character of string. This is holds the address of this character. It prints first character. So A. Option A, B, C are A. Okay. So first printf prints A. Second printf first increment, means it will not change value of first in printf. So second character also A, means A, B, C, all options has A, so no problem. Come to the third. Now this is first increment, so now A is B before this str. So now prints B, then increment. In these three options, this is C, this is C, this is B, means obviously answer is C, but anyhow one more is none of these. So just check it C and D, that is B. Next incremented, means control is in now C position. Now prints string, remain string is CDE, so CDE. So option is C. In examination, you are sometime, if you not possible to manage the time, now almost you are in the two options 50 percentage. In this situation, you may select C directly without checking none of these. Most of the time, uh, none of these not the answer, but don't stick on the answer. If you not possible to manage the time, then we'll go for like this. In UGC net you have enough time, no problem. So for this, first printf prints character A, second printf again prints character A and post increment, third it is B and post increment. So option is C. I hope you understood this question. It's looking like difficult, but you need to solve uh, one by one statements. Then we will go for 16th. An entity relationship diagram is a tool to represent data model, obviously it is. So entity relationship model represent a data model. There is no other option. It's a direct question. We'll move to the next question. Which of the following tool is not required during system analysis phase of system development life cycle? Case tool, RAD tool, reverse engineering, none of these. For this question, this is also one of the direct question. Case tool. Case is computer aided software uh, engineering tool. It is not used in system development life cycle. This is a direct question. There is no hint. Just you need to know which stages, which tools are not used in system development life cycle. Next, a black hole in a DFT is a black hole in a DFT is a data store with no inbound flows, data store with only inbound flows, data store with more than one inbound flows, none of these. For this, first you need to know what is black hole. A processing step may have input flow but no output flow. This situation is sometimes called a black hole. Now check it. A data store with no inbound flow. Actually, in black hole, a process step may have input flow, not output flow. In this first option, there is no inbound flow. So it's not an option answer. Check it. Second, a data store with only inbound flow X. This is on step may have input flow but no output, means only input inbound flows. So option is B. Just check it. Option is C. A data store with more than one inbound flow. It is also not true. So answer is B. What is black hole? A processing step may have input flow but no output flows. This situation is called black hole. A black hole in a DFT is a data store with only inbound flows, not outbounds. Outputs means there is no outbound flow. So answer is B. Next we will move to the 19th question. Multi-value dependency among attribute is checked at which level? I have explained this question in 2004 question paper in detail. Every time based on normalization in database, one question is fixed. So you keep you should know the all the normal forms. 1 second, I will show you the table because it's very important question. Now this is data store sources. First transfer attribute into table form means unnormalized form. Now first normal is remove repeating group, first normal form. Second, remove partially dependency. Third, remove transitive dependency. Fourth, make sure every determinant is a key candidate key. Then remove multi-value dependency, remove joint dependency. So this question is multi-value dependency among attribute is checked at which level? Multi-value dependency value, remove multi-value in the fourth normal form. So multi-value dependency among attributes is checked at the fourth normal form. I hope it's clear. It's very important question. Every time one question, at least one question is based on normalization. Okay, just keep this one. You should know the all the normal forms and their key features. Then we'll move to the last question. A window into a portion of a database view. Sorry, database is obviously it is view because a window into a portion of database. You are looking portion of a database. That is obviously it is view. Direct question. There is no other shortcut methods or shortcut way. So 20th question is a window into a portion of database is view. Okay, I hope you understood all the questions. If you have any queries, any questions, any clarification, just mail me. If you have um, any issues, just drop out your question in YouTube comment box. Please subscribe the channel and promote it. Please share and inform your friends. Thanks to all.